The smartest people pretend to be stupid, so the foolish feel safe revealing themselves. Intelligence doesn't rush to speak, it listens. The wise wear silence like armor, letting arrogance do the talking. In a world that shouts to be seen, real power lies in restraint. Let the fools expose themselves. Let the loud drown in their own noise. Sometimes the smartest move isn't proving you're right. It's watching as others prove themselves wrong. Because when truth is patient, deception always reveals itself. Niccolo Machiavelli.